Hey Insulators, we are here outside of Baltimore, Maryland, and we are with one of the oldest machines we sold to them. This is Advanced Green Home Solutions, and we are here with John. And John really helped out this week. We were up here with 3 machines. We had 2 CM2400s, and we had a Krendl 575. We went through all 3 machines, airlock seals, maintenance, and also troubleshooting. They had 2 machines that would not start, and we fixed the wiring and different components like that. John, what do you think about these machines and how easy they are to maintain?
They're very neat. They're very neat, especially to learn from you and everything like that. It was simple, very simple. I think I got the hang of it now. It's definitely something good to know. It's very helpful. You guys were awesome.
Great. We were here for almost a week. Tomorrow would have been 1 week, and the reason for that is UPS. We finally had them next day air some components so we could finish up today. Baltimore is a beautiful area. This crew is outstanding. We were out there on the site with them today too, doing a little troubleshooting, and it was great. We had a good time with them. Thank you for your patience, and thank you, John. Appreciate everything.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Appreciate it.